Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In Transoxania, in a region that is now known as Turkmenistan, specifically in a city called Farab, the Turkic leader Muhammad bin Ozlak became the father of a baby boy. And that was in 260 AH.
MashaAllah, what a beautiful boy, my brother.
Yes, I think that he looks like me, doesn't he?
Yes, he is a spitting image of you when you were young.
Then I won't hesitate to choose a name for him.
Have you chosen a name for him already?
Of course, I'll give him my name. Muhammad? Yes, Muhammad bin Ozlak.
May Allah bless him for you.
Unfortunately, I won't be able to stay with you more than that.
Why is that?
I have to go with the rest of the army leaders to the Caliph's palace, as there is an urgent meeting. Because I am leaving you under the protection of this man. Muhammad, my son. Muhammad grew up, but his interest didn't indicate that he was going to achieve what his family wished for him.
Oh son, won't you go to the fencing practice?
I don't feel like it, Mother. I borrowed this book from my friend's father, and I want to finish it.
Would this book help you to become a leader and a knight like your father?
Mom, I've told you before that I don't want to become a soldier. I have other dreams. Oh Muhammad!
It's your friend, Suleiman.
Alright, he must want to take me to the garden to play there as usual.
You are going to play, yet refuse to go to the fencing practice.
I'm not going there to play, but the weather is nice in the garden at this time of the year, and I can enjoy reading there more. Goodbye!
I wonder where all of this reading will lead you to, my son.
How beautiful the weather is. Won't you play with us? Suleiman, please don't interrupt my reading. What are you reading? This is a book about mathematics. Mathematics? You're reading about mathematics instead of practicing sports with us. I don't mean sports. Mathematics is the science of calculation, addition, subtraction, and division, and other more complicated mathematical operations. What's this writing that's not Arabic? Do you understand it? I speak more than one language, Suleiman. That's my way of having fun, just like you enjoy playing. I don't understand you, but you are my friend anyway, and I must help you to do what you want.
The love of knowledge engrossed Muhammad. That's why he could never work in any job. Perfumery. He felt that becoming engrossed in a job would keep him away from the pleasure of reading and seeking knowledge. But at the same time, he knew that he must work, and that he shouldn't be unemployed. If you want to dedicate yourself to seek knowledge, O Muhammad, I can help you and give you money, and you won't have to look for a job. I'm working in commerce, as you know, and I have a considerable sum of money. No, Solomon, working is a necessity, and I won't agree to be unemployed. What are you going to do? I'll look for a job that would give me the opportunity to seek knowledge without affecting my job. Do you remember this garden? We have a lot of memories here. We used to be innocent kids. Yes, yes! That's true, Solomon. I love this garden so much. Thank you, Solomon. You are welcome, my friend. But what are you thanking me for? You've inspired me with a wonderful idea. Muhammad worked as a guard in the garden, and during his work he spent his time reading and finished lots and lots of books. How is your work going, O Muhammad? The work is going well, but my problem is in knowledge. I don't understand you. I've finished reading all the books that I wanted to read, but I'm not satisfied, and my voracity to read and know more has increased. What to do? I wish we lived in utopia that Plato had dreamed of. Who? I haven't heard of this name before. Was he one of your childhood friends? No, my friend. Plato is one of the Greek old philosophers. Don't you know him? It seems that you have reached an advanced level of knowledge, Muhammad. Honestly, I don't know him. And I don't understand a single word of what you're saying. Do you know what I'm thinking about now, Solomon? What are you thinking about? I'm thinking about going to Baghdad, the city of peace. At your age? Seeking knowledge doesn't have an age limit, Solomon. But Baghdad! It's very far! I've never thought of visiting in any of my business trips. As for me, my passion for knowledge is pushing me to go on this journey. And I feel that it won't be the last journey. You have big dreams, Muhammad. Just like your passion for knowledge. I'll reread this book. Do you read a single book more than once? I've read this book 16 times, Solomon, and every time I understand something new from it. Muhammad has made his decision. He decided to go to Baghdad, and he joined a caravan and set off to Iraq. I'll miss you so much, Muhammad. I'll miss you too, my friend. I wish you a successful trip. Do you know, Solomon, as much as I am sad for leaving my city, Farab, where I grew up and learned, as much as I feel happy because I finally get to visit Baghdad. Visit it? Aren't you planning to stay there? I don't know, but I won't hesitate to go any place afterwards to acquire more knowledge. May Allah aid you, my friend. No wonder, I'm not surprised by your luggage. People who travel usually take clothes, utensils, and food with them, while most of your luggage are books that you had already read. I need something to do during the journey. And even if I had already read these books, I'll still need to revise them from time to time. The caravan is setting off. Prepare yourselves. Take care of yourself, Solomon. Have a safe trip, Muhammad, my friend. Muhammad set off, leaving Farab, the city that he would be named after later. And he'll be known by the name Muhammad al-Farabi in the Society of Scientists. The first stop in the journey of al-Farabi was in Baghdad, the city of peace. How would things go there?